friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you program to convert decimal to binary and binary to decimal number in Java. First, we have to learn some basics about decimal and binary numbers. So, decimal numbers have base 10 and they have digits 0 to 9. So decimal numbers are made of 10 digits. After that we have binary numbers. So binary numbers have base 2 and they are made of only digits 0 and 1. So let's take an example that I have a number like 25 and it is a decimal number. So it has a base 10. After that we want to convert this number into a binary number. So equal to binary number and binary numbers have a base 2. So let's see how we can do it. So to convert this decimal number to this binary number, we have to divide this number by 2 until it not become 0, and we also have to take all the reminders. So let's see 25 here and dividing it by 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4, and here we get reminder 1. So this is our quotient and this is our reminder. We have to write like this. So I am writing like this to explain you. After that we have to divide it again. So 2 into 6 is 12 and here we get reminder 0. After that 2 into 3 is 6. Here we again get reminder 0. After that 2 into 1 is 2 and we get reminder 1, and after that 2 into 0 is 0 and we get reminder 1. So this is the list of reminders we get after dividing 25 by 2. So we have to write all these reminders in a line from down to top. So first is 1 and then 1, then 0 and then again 0, and after we get 1. So the number here we get 11001 is the binary number of 25. So this is how we can convert a decimal number to a binary number. Now let's take another example that in this we have to convert this binary number to the decimal number. So to convert it in the decimal number, we have to divide the binary number by 10. So let's see. So double one, zero, zero, one, and dividing it by 10. So 10 into 1 is 10, and 10 into 1 is again 10, and 10 into 0 is 0, and 10 into 0 is 0. In the remainder, we will get 1. After that, we have to divide it again. So 10 here, 10 into 1 is 10, 10 into 1 is 10, and 10 into 0 is 0, and here we get remainder 0, and after that we have to again divide it. So 10 into 1 is 10 and 10 into 1 is 10, and here we get remainder 0, and after that we again divide it. So 10 into 1 is 10 and we get remainder 1. After that 10 into 0 is 0 and we get remainder 1. So we get all these reminders, and now we have to multiply each remainder with the power of 2 starting from 0 from top to down. So 1 into 2 power 0. After that we will multiply the next remainder with power of 2 1, and after that next remainder with 2 power 2, and after that 2 power 3, and after that 2 power 4. So we have to multiply all these reminders with the power of 2 in the increasing order starting from 0. So 2 power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So here we get 1. After that 2 power 1 is 2, but 0 into 2 is 0, so we get 0 here. After that, 0 into 2 power 2, so 2 power 2 is 4, but 4 into 0 is 0, so here we get 0. After that, 1 into 2 power 3, so 2 power 3 is 8, so 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, so 8 into 1 is 8, and here we get 8. After that, 1 into 2 power 4, so 2 power 4 is 16, and 16 into 1 is 16, so here we get 16. And when we add all these numbers, 1, 8 and 16, so we get 8 plus 16 is 24, and 24 plus 1 is 25, so here we get 25 in the decimal number back. So this is our source number, and this is our destination number. And if we want to convert a source number into a destination number, so we have to divide the source number by the base of the destination number. So here in this case, source number is decimal number which has a base 10, and destination number is a binary number which has base 2. So we will divide source number by 2 and take out all these reminders. So now I will write the program. So in the program, first we have to take a number. So int n equal to 25. After that, we have to take the base of our source number. So I am taking int base 1 equal to 10. After that, we have to take the base of the destination number. So I am taking int b2 equal to 2, which is the base of a binary number. After that, we have to take a number int d equal to 0. I will store our destination number in this variable. After that, I will take a variable int a equal to 1. I will explain the use of this variable later. After that, I will take a while loop. While n not equal to 0, in this I will write int r equal to n modulus b2 and d equal to d plus r into a, r into a, n equal to n slash b2 and a equal to a into b1, and in the last we will print destination number. So I will insert the d. So let's run this program. So you can see in the output we are getting 11001, which is the binary number of 25. Let's take another example that if I enter the binary number of 25, 11001, and after that we have to enter its base. So its base is 2, and after that we will enter the destination base. So decimal number base is 10. So we will convert this binary number to decimal number. So let's run the program. So in the output we are getting 25, and it is the decimal number of this binary number. So let's see how this program is working. So I have taken int n equal to 25. So we have a variable n and its value is 25. After that I have taken a int b1 equal to 10. So it is the base of our source number and its value is 10. After that we have a variable base 2, so it is the base of our destination number 2. After that I have taken an int d variable to store the destination number, so d variable and its initial value is 0. After that I have taken a variable int a equal to 1, so a variable and its value is 1. After that I have taken a while loop while n not equal to 0, so n is 25 and it is not equal to 0, so yes, our condition is true and we get inside our loop. So int r equal to n modulus b2, so we will divide n by b2 and take out the reminder, and I am storing that reminder in the R variable. So let's see 25 here and dividing it by b2 which is 2, so we get 1 in the remainder and storing it in the R variable. So this R variable has 1 inside it. After that, d equal to d plus R into a. So R is 1 and a is also 1, so 1 into 1 is 1 plus d. So d is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and storing it back in the d variable. So this d variable has 1 inside it. After that, n equal to n slash b2. So we will divide n by b2 and take out the quotient and store it back in the n. So here this is our quotient and storing it back in the n variable. So now this n variable has 12 inside it. After that, a equal to a into p1. So value of a is 1 and p1 is 10. So 10 into 1 is 10 and storing it in the a variable. So now this a variable has 10 inside it. After that, we again run our loop. So n not equal to 0. So n is 12 which is not equal to 0. So our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. So int r equal to n modulus b2. So we will again divide n by b2. So 12 here and dividing it by b2 which is 2, and now we get 0 in the remainder and storing this remainder back in the R variable. So now this R variable has 0 inside it. After that, d equal to d plus R into a. So value of R is 0 and a is 10. So 10 into 0 is 0 and plus d which is 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So the value of d still remains same, which is 1. After that, n equal to n slash b2. So we will take this quotient and store it back in the n. So now this n variable has 6 inside it. After that, a equal to a into p1. So a is 10 and b1 is also 10. So 10 into 10 is 100. So now the value of a is 100. After that, we again run our loop. So n not equal to 0. So n is 6 which is not equal to 0. So our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. So int r equal to n modulus b2. So 6 dividing by 2 and now we get 0 in the remainder and storing it in the R variable. So now this R variable has 0 inside it. After that, d equal to d plus R into a. So R is 0 and a is 100. So 100 into 0 is 0 plus d which is 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So the value of d still remains 1. After that, n equal to n slash b2. So we will take this quotient and store it back in the n. So now this n variable has 3 inside it. After that, a equal to a into p1. So a is 100 and p1 is 10. So 10 into 100 is 1000. So now value of a will become 1000. After that, we again run our loop. So n not equal to 0. So value of n is 3 which is not equal to 0. So our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. So int r equal to n modulus b2. So we will divide again n by b2. So n here and b2, and now we get 1 in the remainder and storing it back in the R variable. So this R variable has 1 inside it. After that, d equal to d plus R into a. So value of R is 1 and value of a is 1000. So 1000 into 1 is 1000 and plus d which is 1. So 1000 plus 1 will become 1001 and storing it back in the d variable. So now this d variable has 1001 inside it. After that, n equal to n slash b2. So we will take out this quotient and store it back in the n. So now the value of n is 1. After that, a equal to a into p1. A is 1000 and P1 is 10, so 10 into 1000 is 10,000. So now the value of A is 10,000. So 10,000 here. After that we again run our loop. So n not equal to 0. So value of n is 1, which is not equal to 0. So our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. So int r equal to n modulus b2. So and here and dividing it by b2, and we get 1 in the remainder and storing it back in the r variable. So this r variable has 1 inside it. After that d equal to d plus r into a. So r is 1 and a is 10,000. So 10,000 into 1 is 10,000 plus d, which is 1,001. So adding 1,001 plus 10,000, so we will get 11,001 and storing it back in the d variable. So now this d variable has 11,001 inside it. After that n equal to n slash b2. So we will take out this quotient and store it back in the n. So now this n variable has 0 inside it. After that a equal to a into p1. So value of a is 10,000 and b1 is 10. So 10 into 10,000 will become 1 lakh. So now the value of a is 1 lakh. After that we again run our loop. So n not equal to 0, but here you can see value of n is 0. So our condition is false and our loop will break. And after that we will print the variable, which is the destination number we wanted, and we get 111001 in the output, which is the binary number of 25. And after that if you want to convert this binary number into the decimal number, so in that case you have to input this number in the n variable, and in the base 1 we have to enter 2, and in the base 2 variable we have to enter 10, and after the rest procedure remains same. And the use of this a variable is that it is helping us to store the reminder digits in right places. So it will store the first reminder in the first place. Then it will store the second reminder in the 10th place. Then third reminder in the 100th place, and so on. That's why we have to use a variable starting from 1. So this is how we can write a program to convert decimal to binary and binary to decimal number in Java. Thank you.